do, what do I think the stock's going to do in the next 17 to 20 days? If I think the stock's going to move up, I might not want to cap this gain by selling the call and then having to go through, buy back the call, and roll the position. I might look for a different income method that might not limit my upside, or I might not apply an income method right now. If my expectation is the stock's going to continue to move up, I might wait until it hits $51 or $52 per share and then go back to the analysis screen and review a different income method that I might be able to use. Well, let's go ahead and minimize down that particular analysis. Let me go back to the portfolio. I just apologize. There we go. And so here's our, oh, no. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. I'm sorry. Give me one second. This is what we wanted to look at. There is our September 50 call that we just reviewed graphically. Now, we see some information where we could use an income method number 3. We could adjust the put, and we could change the put from our original, was it March expiration, I believe, March expiration, sell our March put for $640, and buy the October 50 put for $330. Well, this would take in some premium now, and we have a negative at risk. This means we could bulletproof the position with income method number 3. Well, would I want to jump right in just because I can bulletproof the position? No, I'm going to want to run that analysis as well. And the reason why is that if I open this position in August, and my expectation rolling forward is that I'm looking to make, let's say on average, maybe 2.5% per month. If I use income method number 3 to bulletproof fossil right now, we'd have a locked-in guaranteed return of 1.7%. This blue line shows us the new RPM. If we sold to close the existing 50 strike put and rolled to the October 50 put, we've taken that graph and moved it up. And then we're now bulletproof on the position going forward. We still have an infinite maximum risk, but if the stock stays below $50, the most we're going to make is 1.7% on August expiration. We might look to do another income method another income method now. Typically, if I do income method number 3, I might then look to do income method number 1 right after that to generate some more premium. But you see the dilemma here. Yes, it bulletproofed my position. I still have an infinite expectation. I still have an infinite potential profit and loss moving forward. But if I have the sentiment that between now and October expiration, the fossil might stay right around 50 or just below 50, the max return I might make without doing another income method is only 1.7%. Does that match my goals for August, September, and October if my goal was to make around 1.5% per month? No. Great to be bulletproof, but I've shortened my time frame. I still want to make sure I'm collecting my goals for my expectations of the methodology and what I'm trading. So that's what you want to analyze. Does this match your goals? Does this match your expectation? It's always great to bulletproof and have that maximum profit, that potential maximum profit, but you want to make sure before you do an income method that it still matches your goals and it matches your expectation. Bill called me on that. I'm sorry. I was trying to rush through some of this because I realized we're at the end. I did say infinite maximum risk, but I did mean infinite maximum profit. Thank you, Bill, for catching me on that. We want to take a look at our infinite maximum profit. We still want to make sure that the guarantee of our return between now and the new time frame matches our expectation, our goals for the position. All right. Let's go back to the, apologize there. There we go. Now, the other position I entered is just slightly different. It's a similar fossil position opened on the same day. This was just using the 45 strike put. And of course, if I was in the lower strike put that had potentially would have had a higher percentage at risk, but I'm sorry, that keeps doing that, and I apologize. But had a higher potential risk, but was less in the money. Well, we would do the same thing, and we would link to the position analysis view. And from that position analysis view, we could analyze. There we go. Apologize for that. Dual screen here is not functioning with me as well as I'd like it to. This was opened on the same day, but using the different put, so we have a higher risk, and we use the less in the money. We used the 45 strike put for 740, so our risk would have been about 8%. But again, now that the stock has moved up, we still have some similar positions. We have income method number 1 opportunities. Well, we could bulletproof with an income method number 3 opportunity. one of my favorites, we can still bulletproof here with income method number 4. We could roll the put up from the 45 to, say, the 50 strike put. This would, oh, that one doesn't bulletproof. Okay, the 55 strike put on FOSL. This gives me a new maximum risk of minus 1.2%, so I'm bulletproof, but I still have protection out to March expiration. So I didn't shorten the time frame. Now I can still look to do other income methods on a bulletproof position. And here's an income method number 6 opportunity as well. So when you're tracking the RPMs in the portfolio, there's other features that you can use. You can set alerts. You can set alerts for the different time frames, or if the stock moves up in price, or if the a Bollinger Band is hit, a new 52-week high, a new 52-week low. But as you're analyzing the position in the portfolio tools, you're going to want to link over from the portfolio into this analysis screen, and the potential income methods are shown for you. Now, details of why you would choose one income method over the other than looking at the simulation there to see, okay, if my expectations are this, would I want to do this income method or this income method? In reality, well, in all honesty, the only place it's described of why you would choose income method number 4 of income method number 6, the SIGA models for income method number 4, 6, 3, 1, 5, for example, that is only available in the blueprint. All right, well, we've spent an hour going through the basic tools here. I'm going to flash over now back to our slideshow here just to wrap up. While I'm wrapping up, please feel free to start queuing up your questions that you might have. I was trying to get it done by 1 o'clock. Sorry about that, but I'll still stay online for another 10-15 minutes to answer any questions you have. But I'm just going to review shortly through these follow-up slides as I'm doing that. Please send me your questions, and we can always navigate back to the PowerOptions suite of tools if you have a question about a specific tool or a specific feature. Basic review, why PowerOptions for radioactive traders? Well, it's the only suite of tools dedicated for Kurt's radioactive trading methods, where you can link from an analysis screen and a portfolio tool to see the potential income methods and rollout opportunities, as well as have the criteria available to put in the specific search criteria you'd use for an RPM, or to customize it for your own investment style. And then one-click links to the detailed research and analysis. You can customize the search and customize the screen views, the time-saving tracking and management tools in the portfolio to help you analyze the rollout opportunities. And of course, once you've analyzed one of those rollout opportunities, those income methods, you can apply it to your existing RPM in your portfolio with just one click. Now, the basic subscription services for PowerOptions, you can get a 14-day free trial to PowerOptions. If you haven't yet, just go to www.powerop.com or www.powerop.com/RAT. The 20-minute delayed service gives you access to all the tools in the tool menu with 20-minute delayed quotes. It's only $59.95 per month, or $600 for the year. The real time is $79.90 per month, or a discounted rate of $800 for the year. The historical data is not available on the 20 minutes delayed in the real time. You can get a 3-month subscription to the historical data, but if you're already on the real time, it's actually cheaper just to upgrade to the professional level of service. It's only $20 more, $99.99 per month, or $1,000 per year. Includes everything in the real time